The next step in creating content for your widget, and we're doing a widget here with icons because it seems to be the most popular. I like to create tables so that my icons are not floating around all over the page. And a table is an invisible item that will keep everything nicely ordered in neat rows. So you use the table icon here in your edit ribbon. And let's do just a simple whoops, not too big, just two cells here that I want to use for just two widgets. And what I like to do is also center it so that wherever it comes up in your course homepage, everything is centered nicely. Now you can't just go and click here and click on center. It seems that you have to use the tools that are included with your table. And if you click on the first one, table properties, here is where you can align its center. And okay. So what this does, it creates a nice place for you to add icons. And I'll show you how to actually connect the icons with the URL for now. And one thing, really think about where you're going to be using your table or this widget. For example, I have a great big one here, which, it's fine if this is the look you're looking for, or something smaller. For example, I have one on my D12 homepage here. It has 3x3. As you can see, it really depends on if you place it on the right-hand side or if you place it directly on the page, the course homepage across the top. That way you can make them bigger. Or you really have to think about how your course homepage is displayed, where your widgets are, and where you're going to use your newly created custom widget. So for now, I'm just making a very small one because maybe I want to use it on the right-hand side in a smaller space. And if you think about these things, you can really create a nice full-looking widget, but you can always go back and either delete a row or add a row, delete a column, add a column. So you want your basic setup this way. And of course, you can always type things, type instructions inside here, and you can play with the fonts if you want a nice big font or a bolded font, and if you want to change it to a different family and a font size. The more you play with these things and even the color, it becomes more inviting, more fun for the student to look at or the staff member. So you can place instructions here, you can add images, you can add instructions. But basically what you usually want to have a custom widget for is just to have a bunch of icons that are here for students to click on. And again, depending on what you want, you can just add links if you wanted to, or you can embed a video, or you can embed images. Really depends on why you want to use the widget. And in this case, I just want to do a straight, just putting in a table and putting it in so that I have icons listed here for students to click on.